Next question.
This question from Istanbul. How can we protect our children and the youngest from the bad effect of the society?
Just behave naturally within the confines of Islamic teachings, and that's the best way of doing it. I've spoken on this subject at different times with emphasis on different areas of this question according to the context in which the question has been asked. Sometimes the British people ask this question, sometimes the Muslims, sometimes the Orientals, and sometimes the Westerners. So they have their own different interests in the same question. So I try to answer them all, but the answer which I gave, despite with different emphasis, is basically the same, which is to maintain ideal atmosphere of the family in the house, and to create attraction in your family style, so that the gravity, the center of gravity, is always within the house, not outside. The family members, whoever they are, whether they're children, boys, girls, or grown-ups, they return to the heaven of their house with a natural longing for it. As long as they're outside, it's somehow tiresome. When they are back to home, that is peace. If this atmosphere is created and maintained, then no social problems can ever evolve from such a wonderful living in an intact family structure. Moreover, an atmosphere of mutual love, and not only love but mutual respect, must be maintained. Hazrat sallallahu alaihi wasallam treated even small children with respect, and also showed the same respect to his own slaves. So if you are respectful, loving and respectful, generous and respectful to the younger generation, but also firm in discipline, then this makes the ideal home. And such generation as are brought up in this atmosphere have a perfect balance between discipline and love and respect. Such ideal homes never see any disaster of the younger generation having gone astray. So in view of the short time, I think for the time being, this answer should be considered sufficient, please.